Welcome to the Decimalchain channel. Brand new video on tokenization is on the air. New promising coins are released on the Decimal blockchain every 2-3 days, and many of them are tied to goods and services of business projects. But there are also some coins waiting to be launched, since not all of their tokenization issues have been resolved. In this video we'll cover in detail the process of integration tokens into business projects using real cases examples to let more projects reach a new level. If you don't have a token yet, then watch the corresponding video instructions on the channel. And if you already have one, the next step for you is to think of your project tokenomics. It provides users with a clear answer to the question, do I need these tokens, and what are the company's and the coin's development strategies? In the previous video I told you what should be reflected in a project tokenomics. Be sure to include this data in your white paper. Pay special attention to the token movement pattern, namely when your client receives tokens and how they can spend them. Let's consider this in more detailed way. For example, if you sell coffee, the average check is, let's say, $20. It includes a cappuccino and a dessert. The pricing includes a 10% cashback, which you are ready to pay to the client so that he or she returns again and again to have delicious coffee. As long as we are discussing tokenization cases, the cashback will be accrued in your company's coins. To do this, think of a detailed instruction. Following it, the client downloads the Decimal wallet or your mobile app with databases synchronized with the blockchain and opens the Transfer Get tab. After getting payment in fiat, that's $20 in our case, the barista logs into the Decimal wallet with mobile phone, and the wallet's account have some company tokens kept there. The barista asks the customer for the QR code of his wallet, scans the address, and sends $2 in coffee shop tokens. That's it, the cashback is accrued. Now, so that the client understands what to do with these coins, give instructions or a link to your official channel with all the information available. There you should show how to check account balance, how to redeem coins from the market if the issue allows it, and how to delegate coins to get additional rewards. As an option, you can provide the opportunity to buy NFT statuses of a loyal customer, which give additional privileges or just a constant discount. Now the client can use these loyalty tokens when he comes back to you, or get company privileges by presenting NFTs. Besides, if the coins that your company gets from the sale of NFT statuses are sent to delegation and the extra profit is spent on the purchase of your coins, then the value of your token will grow. This is a stimulus for additional interest from your customers to accumulate tokens and explore all the crypto capabilities. And if you have blockchain database, which you can always check through the browser, the immutable statistics of blockchain transfers made from your wallets to get cashback. Also, you have a wide range of marketing activities that you may integrate in your advertising strategy. There are giveaways, gamifications and contests that you may hold together with neighboring partners, agreeing on the mutual exchange of received tokens or providing a discount to owners of new NFT statuses, and so on. So that you could see how it works and try on the client's role, I will give you some examples of projects that already operate on this principle. The first example is the Novoselka coin, launched on December 1st, 2022, quite recently. It provides workshop services and pays 10% cashback in its tokens, which can be exchanged for a discount when contracting the company. Also, clients can acquire the NFT status of a loyal customer and thus receive a permanent discount of 10%. The second example is the Makarovsky coin, which was launched in June of 2022. The product is expert content by Dmitry Makarovsky. The coin doesn't have cashback services in their usual sense, but NFT statuses purchased for the Makarovsky token are fully implemented. Statuses have several categories and provide different privileges in the Telegram channel. Thus, NFT holders receive a salary that is accounted from the staking of the channel's allocated budget. It is replenished with income from status sales. Both examples show us positive growth dynamics. We recommend that you get to know them and wish you success in your further development. Links to these projects can be found in the description below. I hope the case we've discussed today would be useful for you, and now you already know a strategy for integrating a token into your business project. Feel free to use it. And if you appreciate it, please leave your comments below. We are also waiting for your likes, our team will be pleased. That's it. Write your ideas on tokenization in the comments, we'll discuss them and we will meet in the next videos.